It's about 10 after 5 on July 8th. This is the water behind 3179 Holmes Run Road. You can see it's up above my ankles. Runs off into Dr. Farrell's property here. Water continues down my property, past my landscaped areas. Quite frankly, it forms a river. The intent of the drainage was to bring it down past this area and on out to the culvert that goes under Holmes Run Road. But this is the reality of the situation. And this reality is what we face about 20 minutes after the rain has stopped. You can only imagine what it was like during the storm. Well, it isn't necessary to imagine. We're in the midst of a downpour right now, and this is what we get. And this is the water as it cascades over into Dr. Farrell's property and overflows the banks of that drainage area. And then, on this side of the property, this is what we have. The bamboo field on a neighbor's property obstructs the flow of water, resulting in further flooding on this side. As the water attempts to make its way down toward the small pipe under Holmes Run Road,